So good morning students. Yesterday we have studied about the story of village Palampur, in which I told you that the purpose of the story is to introduce some basic concepts of production. So today we'll study about the farming in Palampur. So first point of farming in Palampur is land is fixed. See students, farming is the main production activity in Palampur village, and near about 75% of the people are dependent on farming for their livelihood in Palampur, whether they are farmers or farm laborers. So what do you mean by farm laborers? Farm laborers are those labor who haven't their own land, जिनकी अपनी कोई ज़मीन नहीं है, जो दूसरों के खेतों में काम कर रहे हैं, that is farm laborers. सो फार्मिंग पालमपुर में मेन एक्टिविटी है, जहाँ पर 75% पीपल्स जो हैं वो किस पर डिपेंड करते हैं? फार्मिंग पर डिपेंड करते हैं. एंड सिंस 1960 ऑनवर्ड्स, 1960 से ही देयर हैज़ बीन नो एक्सपेंशन इन लैंड एरिया कल्टीवेशन. ओके, देयर इज़ अ बेसिक कंस्ट्रेंट इन रेजिंग फार्म प्रोडक्शन. सबसे जो मेजर प्रॉब्लम क्या थी फार्मिंग पालमपुर की फार्मिंग में, कि 1960 ऑनवर्ड्स देयर वाज नो एक्सपेंशन इन लैंड एरिया अंडर कल्टीवेशन. बट बाय देन, इसके बाद सम ऑफ द वेस्ट लैंड इन द विलेज हैज़ बीन कन्वर्टेड इनटू कल्टिवेबल लैंड. और इसके बाद कुछ जो वेस्ट लैंड थी उसको किस में कन्वर्ट कर दिया गया था? कल्टिवेबल लैंड में कन्वर्ट कर दिया गया था. 1960 से पहले देयर वाज नो एक्सपेंशन इन लैंड एरिया अंडर कल्टिवेशन, and after that wasteland was converted into cultivable land, and further there was no scope to increase farm production by bringing new land under cultivation. और इसके बाद कोई भी इंक्रीज नहीं हुआ प्रोडक्शन के अंदर. वाई? बिकॉज किसी भी तरह की न्यू लैंड अंडर कल्टिवेशन नहीं लाई गई. Okay, so basically we have to study beta कि the standard unit of measuring land is hectare. अब now a question arises कि what do you mean by hectare? So hectare is 1 hectare is equals to the area of a square with one side measuring 100 meter. Okay, that means a piece of land whose both the side is, or you can say that square की only side होती है whose sides are 100 meter. Okay, so it is known as hectare. So the standard unit of measuring land is hectare. In local units you can say that somewhere you have listened बीघा, है ना? Somewhere in Haryana we call it kila. So like that you can say the different name of these units locally, but hectare is the standard measuring unit. Now in the kind of crop grown and facilities available, Palampur would resemble a village. पालमपुर गांव जो है वो वेस्टर्न यूपी के एक गांव से रिजेंबल करता है. ओके, एंड हेयर नो लैंड इज लेफ्ट आइडल. यहाँ पर कोई भी भूमि खाली नहीं है. वाई? बिकॉज ऑल लैंड इज कल्टिवेटेड इन Palampur. All land is cultivated because earlier we have studied कि 1960 से पहले पालमपुर में there was no expansion in land area under cultivation, but after that, after 1960, wasteland was converted into the cultivable land. So now all the land is cultivable in Palampur, no land is left idle. So in the rainy season, jowar and bajra are grown. Okay, and these plants are used for the cattle feed. See students, the fruit of the jowar and bajra is cut off. इसको काट लिया जाता है, and after that whatever the stem is left उसको कट करके as a cattle feed use किया जाता है. Okay, so these plants are used as cattle feed, and it is followed by the cultivation of potato between October to December. In the winter season or the rabi crop, they used to just sown the wheat. वो क्या कौन सी खेती करते हैं? wheat की खेती करते हैं. So see here, in the rainy season they are growing ज्वार and bajra. In between, from October to December, they are cultivating the potato, and after that, when the winter season they used to just grow the wheat. Okay, after that, from the wheat produced, farmer keep enough wheat for their own consumption. Okay, and the surplus amount they sell at the market of रायगंज. जो surplus wheat उनके पास बच जाता है, वो उन्हें कहाँ पर वो करते हैं, सेल आउट करते हैं रायगंज में. अब अ स्मॉल पार्ट, एक छोटा सा पार्ट पालमपुर में जो है, अ पार्ट ऑफ द लैंड एरिया इज ऑल्सो डिवोटेड टू शुगर केन ऑल्सो. ओके, एंड इट इज हार्वेस्टेड वंस इन अ ईयर. एक साल में एक बार इसको हार्वेस्ट किया जाता है. सो सम पार्ट ऑफ द लैंड इज डिवोटेड फॉर द शुगर केन ऑल्सो, एंड sugarcane in its raw form, or as jaggery, or as a jaggery sold to the traders of Shahpur. Okay, so the main reason ki why farmers are able to grow 3 crops in a year in Palampur is due to the well developed system of irrigation. Because in the previous video I told you that most of the houses have electric connection which powers the tube well and other facilities, है ना. So similarly they are growing 3 crops, mainly 3 different crops in a year. Why? Because Palampur is Palampur have well developed system of irrigation. Electricity came early to Palampur, है ना, and its major impact was to transform the system of irrigation. Earlier Persian wheels were there. So what do you mean by Persian wheels? See here, such type of wheels were there. पहले इस तरह के wheels होते थे जिनको घुमाया जाता था और कुएं से पानी निकाला जाता था. Okay, so from these Persian wheels, it was used by farmers to draw water from the wells and irrigated small fields. Okay, but now they had the facilities of tube wells and they could irrigate much land. Now it is clear. That means in Palampur earlier Persian wheels were there. By that they can draw the water from the well, so they can just irrigate the small patches of land. But right now, because of the electricity or because of the electric facilities, irrigation facilities आ गई, electricity के reason से ही इनके पास irrigation facilities आई और irrigation facility से अब ये larger scale पर irrigate करने लगे. I hope so कि you have cleared it, and if you have any doubt then send the message to me.